Government of India is issuing a security for rupees 11,000. Government of India is issuing a security just for 11,000 called JTSCR. J stands for Jab Tak Suraj Chand Rahega. That is what they have provided. On subscription of the security, investor will get annually rupees 1,000 from end of year 1 onwards for perpetuity. So from end of year 1 onwards for perpetuity, for infinity, forever, investor will get rupees 1,000. Cost of capital of the investor is 10%. So the discounting rate is 10%. You are required to answer following simple questions. Whether an investor should make investment in this proposal, that is a question. Second part of the question we will read slightly later on. Friends, over here we understand the question is providing the information that say today only for once you have to make investment of 11,000. How many times are you required to make investment? Only for once. On making investment for one time, you will get rupees 1,000. Are you going to receive it for 5 years? No. 10 years? No. 50 years? No. 100 years? No. Till what point of time you are going to receive? They have provided that you are going to receive this amount jab tak suraj chand rahega. Means you are going to receive this amount for infinite time period, forever. So the question says that, are you ready to make investment in this proposal? That is the question. And see, this security is issued by none other than Government of India, to whom you can trust at any point of time. Anybody can answer this question. Let us have understanding that say how to take the decision. One is a very simple method to take a decision, that if at all we invest this 11,000 rupees somewhere else at the rate of 10%, then in that case what amount of the income you can get? Rupees 1100. How this 1100 is calculated? It is 11,000 into 10%. 1100 is greater than 1000. So we that is understand and say this is not a good investment opportunity. Please write an answer for the first question. Investor should not purchase this security. Because opportunity cost exceeds income from the security. We understand that the opportunity cost is 1100, which is exceeding 1000. Read on further. Investment of rupees 11,000 somewhere else, comma, will have an income of rupees 1100. In bracket write down 11,000 into 10%, comma, it is more than income offered in this security. Full stop. Second part of the question. Find maximum amount that an investor will be ready to pay for the security. So what is the maximum amount that investor is ready to pay is the question. Please tell me answer. Answer of the question is very simple. Second part. We can say that investor is ready to pay maximum 10,000. That is the point at which he is indifferent. Write an answer along with me. Maximum amount, comma, investor is ready to pay, comma, to buy the security. It can be calculated by using a formula from examination point of view, and at the same time I am giving a logical explanation. So logical explanation is like this. Investment and income. If at all you make investment of rupees X, income is rupees 0.10x, fine. We know that say over here the income that you are going to receive is rupees 1000. So you are ready to invest this amount. So it is calculated as 1000 into x upon 0.10x. So what will happen, friends? X will be cancelled. This x is getting cancelled against this x. So it is 1000 upon 10%. That comes to rupees 10,000. This is the way you can do answer. Or otherwise, from examination point of view, you can apply the formula like this. P0 is equal to A1 divided by I. What is A1? A1 is 1000 divided by I. I stands for the cost of capital 10%. That comes to rupees 10,000. So maximum you are ready to invest an amount of rupees 10,000. Please take down answer.